What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at F-Line Garage, where I'm working on the C63 to get it ready for Sebring, SCCA. And there's one thing that's always bothered me, where these intake tubes, mine haven't cracked yet, but they just don't fit right. Ever since I did the new motor mounts, everything like that, they just kind of don't fit perfect anymore. So I went with VRP's new intake. Figured why not? It looks better, in my opinion. I know a lot of people give it some hate, but I think just because it's gonna fit better. Here, let me show you. It's gonna fit better, and right now this doesn't even line up. If I put this on all the way, I mean I can't because it's clipped here. So if I open it, if I put it on all right there, and I go to put it here, it doesn't even line up anymore. The accordion doesn't stretch, it doesn't hold. Same thing over here. So I'm hoping that the fit and finish will be better with this system. So this is it, just arrived. And yeah, let's put it on. How hard can it be? The directions that came with this are absolutely phenomenal. Hence, not at all, but it is pretty self-explanatory. I mocked it up. This is how it's gonna go. It came with 4 silicone rubber connectors that are gonna go like here. Now 2 are tall, 2 are short. I was gonna put the short ones in back, and it came with all the same size hose clamps. 3 right there, 3.15 inches. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 here, 1 there, 1 at this seam and this seam, and put it all together. So let's get started. Let's get the old one off first. Pull, pull, and throw. Pull, pull, and that one came off too easy, and throw. So let's get started with this. Well, I always say, how hard can it be? This was way harder than I ever actually thought it was gonna be. I thought I'd be done in like 2-3 minutes. This was like, I'm sweating like ridiculous amounts right now. Trying to get this on without this popping off, or this on without that popping off. And these are actually really good, and they like won't slide too well. So what I ended up having to do was I put this on first, tighten this down, or kept this loose. Then I put this on, and then with all my might, I would hold it here and try to push this one back to seat it well. And man, it's still not 100%. So anyway, that's what I ended up doing on this one as well. I ended up swapping it. I think I was showing you guys, put the big one here and the small one there. I don't know if it truly matters, but this worked for me. Make sure that these are tipped down enough so that when you close the hood, they don't stick up and you gouge the hood. So I put all these kind of at an angle so that they don't protrude up and potentially hit the hood up here. So they're good, they're solid. They actually line up to my intake now. Maybe it'll help. If not, at least I feel better than using those right now, because those are just kind of flopping around and rattling. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed me struggling to put these VRP intakes on, but I am mated to my row boxes and high flow filters. So make sure you watch that video, because those were pretty cool too. So anyway, like, subscribe, do your thing, and I'll keep working on cars.